Hi there, Bridget Mackay here with the law offices of Bridget Mackay in Petaluma, California. And this video blog is going to be focused on very brief introduction of why you might want long-term care Medi-Cal. So my recommendation is never Google information about Medi-Cal, or if you do, check it with a professional who practices in that area. So I'm just going to read you some statistics that came out for 2019 cost of long-term care. We're talking specifically care in a skilled nursing facility or a nursing home. So Genworth does a study every year and lets us know in our area, Sonoma and Marin, what the cost is monthly and yearly. So this year for a private room in a skilled nursing facility, the average cost was $12,167 a month. That averages out to about $146,000 per year. So is everybody in a private room? Probably not, but the values or the cost does not drop much if you're sharing with someone else in the room, maybe even two others in the room. So you can see why that amount can increase very quickly for someone who needs long-term care at that level, which is why folks look towards the relief of qualifying for the Medi-Cal program for long-term care for the aged and disabled. However, like any Medi-Cal program, they have asset limits for those folks who are applying for Medi-Cal. In the area of long-term care, a single person can only have $2,000 in what they call non-exempt assets. Your house, if you own one, is not calculated in that. And for married couples with a spouse that needs long-term care in a skilled nursing facility, the amount is $126,420 in non-exempt assets. Big jump, but the theory behind that is that the spouse that is staying at home still needs to be able to live his or her life. Still, not a lot to work with. However, once you reach those asset requirements, which is something you can do even though you don't think you can right now because you think you have too much, Medi-Cal will pay for the majority, if not all, of that monthly cost in the long-term care facility, which saves money for the spouse at home in case that spouse needs care in the future or even a long-term care stay. So that really is the motivation for families to seek out help in qualifying for Medi-Cal. There are estate planning offices that have these types of practices and work with clients who are seeking to do that, who feel that they're over asset. And we are one of them. If you are out there and you're thinking you're going to try and reduce your assets and qualify yourself, do it yourself kind of thing to get Medi-Cal, I highly caution you not to do that. The regulations for Medi-Cal are like a rabbit's den. There are so many, it's hard to keep them straight, and every family has assets that don't necessarily fit into the cookie cutter form of applying for Medi-Cal. So if you learn anything from this video blog and you are interested in getting Medi-Cal for these reasons, seek help, seek help, seek help. All right, thank you.